are able to witness right now, this facility you're looking today will not stay a milestone, but will be a very integral part of our business moving forward.
Good evening, everyone who are here to celebrate our 56 years anniversary and blessing our office.
Congratulations for a very inspiring example to everyone that when you put your heart to something, you work at it, you will really see the fruits of your labor.
IJC since 2004, 20 years in service of Business Partners of Bounty.
This is it, pansit. Mauna ni karon ang reward sa among tanang pangandoy o paningkamot tungod sa inyong trust o support namo minyong mga business partners. We grow as you grow, and I pray that RJC Trucking will continue to support and deliver your needed services in your company.
For those who don't know yet the meaning of RJC, it's actually an acronym sa pangalan sa among BPOS, among papa, Rene Hanyola Siniza. Pero pwede po Rene Janet Siniza.